All right, so I am searching for a good power pack or power station to take with me on the road, traveling. So I ordered another one. So there's gonna be an unboxing and a quick little look, and I forgot labels. So little privacy here. I'll rip this open. This should be the right one because, again, I'm ordering a few things. Going to be going to Boston in October, and I want to have a kind of portable setup for my streaming setup. I said setup twice. So, throw that on the side. This is, make sure I do the right one. It's the Anker Power Bank Powerhouse 90. It's 87.6 watt hours. I mean, it's got some weight to it still, so I'm gonna look up the actual weight to compare it to the other one I have that I don't want to butcher their name. Now, I actually wanted the 100 model, not the 90. Get the extra like 10 watt hours, but I wanted something that was available. So it wasn't available. Now, my understanding is this model we can take on a plane. It's actually bigger than I thought, but that's fine. It's not as big as the last battery. Press and hold. So I guess you got to press and hold that to power it on. And I mean, if you think about it, if you want a full size, and that's what I want, you want a full size AC plug, you're going to have some size to it. What's that? That's the brick. So I got the power brick. Start cable. Cable's inside. It fell out of the box, I guess. And a manual that I'll probably never read, but who knows. I think that's it for the box. Oh, almost threw it to the side. There's two. The second cable. So two cables, brick. I should probably hold on to the box. I like to put some of the empty boxes on my shelves. I'm going to redo my studio again. And it's nice to have at least the empty boxes to show some of the products. So let me not throw it away. Get that out of the way. So this is it. All right. So is this a slider? It pulls out. It pulls out and it exposes the. Oh, I got this camera. The full size plug there. You got a couple USB A, a USB C. It's got a light. I mean, it is lighter than the other model that I got. So let's put a side by side here. So this is the one I did a couple videos on. It's just under 5 pounds, give or take. It's like 4 pounds, 7 ounces. I need to get the information on this one. I mean, that's a pretty big size difference. Even side on its side, it's a pretty big size difference. Now, even the power. So this is the Anker Power Bank, and this is the other one. I'm blocking the name. Where am I? Let me move me over here. So that's the larger one. This is a 260 watt hours. So that's a huge difference to what I say this one was 87. So power rise, huge difference. But because I'm dealing with low power devices, I think 15 watts is the strongest one. I'm trying to do a mobile internet station where I got a backpack. Uh, Actually, got a backpack over there. I'll do videos on that later on. But what I really want to make sure I have is the AC outlet plug, which this one does have. And with it being low powered, just basically do the math. You know, let's say it's 20 watt hours that I'm going to be using. 20 watts. That's about 4 hours. 4 hours isn't bad. especially since some of the devices already have batteries in them, so I don't need to power them. Like I'm going to be using my Mevo cameras. They got built-in batteries. Another box I have here, that's going to be another video. It's actually a second one of these. And I mean, this itself has a battery in it, and you can put your camera. So like I said, I'm trying to set up a nice, decent mobile setup for when I travel in October to Boston. And I need to stop procrastinating and get my passport and everything, because I am planning on taking vacation in the Philippines. So hopefully I can take this also to the Philippines. So again, this is the Anker Power Bank Powerhouse 90. I'm going to power it up, test it out, probably do a couple videos. With this one, I'll probably do some videos with the rest of the gear and the backpack and everything. But yeah, just a quick unboxing and first look at the Anker.